Hi George, welcome to Hunter High School. I am sure you will enjoy teaching geography very much here. Let me know if you need any help or advice.
Thanks, Susan. While we are on the topic, I noticed this morning that my Year 9 class were having trouble grasping weather and climate. Do you have any recommendations of how I can help them?
I think I have the perfect website you could use. Not only will it help you with weather and climate, but it will also assist you with a range of other syllabus focus areas. The website is called BBC Bitesize. It covers an array of subject areas, not only geography.
Does Bitesize follow the syllabus?
Whilst Bitesize is a UK-based website, its educational geography learning centralizes with various topics within the NSW's 7-10 syllabus.
How does that work?
The key concepts and topics provided are segregated into their own focus areas, with vast amounts of accessible information, which is structured in such a way that wide ranges of academic abilities are able to use and benefit from its content.
So how do they progress to higher order thinking?
The link between concepts and higher order thinking is articulated throughout Bitesize's layout. Each key area builds on knowledge base by starting with simpler learning concepts and gradually moves towards more complex notions and ideas. Starting with these simpler learning concepts allows them to move forward and completely grasp the information by understanding how each dot point links to the next.
How are students to be assessed on what they have learnt?
The main form of assessing pupils' understanding of each topic takes the form of a short multiple choice test. The only downside of this is each test is compiled with a minimal amount of questions, which doesn't cover the majority of concepts.
In my experience, this is not the most effective form of assessment, as it becomes hard for teachers to then ascertain whether students are grasping the information laid out. Due to the brevity of each assessment, it provides the opportunity for guesswork, which can essentially go unidentified by teachers, as it may be viewed as a realistic attempt. How are students able to analyze their newfound knowledge?
Students have the option of creating mind maps as a way of gripping essential terms. By using this feature, this allows students the option to expand on key concepts, whilst also being able to develop alternative pathways to arrive at a solution. Although the mind maps are an effective way of getting pupils to produce a variety of responses to a single scenario, this is one of the only features available on Bitesize that allows students to really reflect on content and analyze it in both a critical and creative manner.
How is the website set out to enable students to construct their own learning environment?
It is logically ordered, allowing students to flow with ease through the content of the information. If information is followed in a linear fashion, then students will have the prior knowledge needed to build and develop as they move on to the next topic.
So Bitesize follows a linear path of learning?
Yes, it gives students the flexibility to choose how they wish to learn and the choice of what task they attempt first. Therefore, students may so choose to concentrate on topics they feel are their weaknesses.
This self-regulated environment would be very beneficial to the students' learning process, as they will be able to choose the best way in which they learn. Do students need any background knowledge to use Bitesize effectively?
Bitesize moves from simple concepts to more complex, thought-provoking ones. The end-of-topic test provided draws on the use of this skill and enables the students to show their true understanding.
Don't you think that due to the nature of the geography syllabus, students are limited in their potential to link prior existing knowledge with new knowledge, as most topics are very differentiated?
There would be a few which would be difficult to link. For example, the concepts explored in globalization do not apply to natural hazards.
Values of diverse social groupings incorporated?
Only some areas of the geography syllabus incorporate the values of diverse social groupings. The Australian syllabus has a primary focus on Australian environments, thus the diversity of social groups in are irrelevant. The only significance people have in this topic is how environmental conditions affect them. In comparison, the globalization unit explores global inequality, especially in relation to people around the world of varying social statuses.
Thank you. I will definitely be using this with my classes from now on.